Shares of Tesla on this news looking up. Check it out. That stock is up by about 3% this morning. We want to talk more about this vote and what it could mean for the EV maker. For that, we are joined on the Squawk Newsline by Gene Munster, Loup managing partner. And Gene, what do you think? Let's just talk about this from the perspective of the public company here. That would be Tesla. Is this good news for Tesla shareholders?
Absolutely. It's a positive for Tesla because despite all of Elon's flaws, investors just want him to be more involved with Tesla. He just has this magnetic personality, debatable, but Tesla investors believe that. So having more of his time applied to Tesla, I think, helps with just the multiple around Tesla. And second, there's this added benefit of him distancing himself from Twitter. It should improve Tesla's brand. I believe over the last 7 weeks, as he's been more engaged with Twitter, he's damaged Tesla's brand. He's become more political, and I think there is a benefit to Tesla by him stepping back from Twitter. So I think this is a big deal for Tesla investors, and I think they should feel good about, which I believe will be him following what he said and resigning as CEO of Twitter.
Vox Populi, Vox Dei. That is what he tweeted recently on another Twitter poll that he posted out there. The voice of the people is the voice of God. Do you think he actually goes through with it on this one?
I do. I think there's just a lot at stake because underneath this is his first principles approach of doing things different. It's obviously unorthodox for a CEO to put his job up for vote, and I think Elon just enjoys doing that. And so I think he has been pushing for power for the people, and that's been just one of his kind of brand angles. And so I think he will follow up on it. I think if he doesn't, it would be a black eye. And one of the other reasons why I think he'll follow up on it is there is a laundry list of reasons why he doesn't want to be CEO of Twitter. He didn't want the job. He didn't want the company originally. He said in court testimony he wants to back off from his time at Twitter. And his true superpowers are solving technical problems, not ambiguous content monitoring problems. And so ultimately I think that what he's doing here is just better aligning what he's really good at. And so I think he will honor these results because I think he wanted to quit.